And welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack, and today is day 40 of our challenge, Instagram Activity Insights. In this challenge, you're going to learn how to access different metrics about the activity on your account. Before we do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon to get all the recent updates. Okay, so yesterday we talked a little bit about why it's important to use insights and what you can do, what you can view through all these different insights, and we talked about content. Today we're going to talk about activity. So we're on our profile here, and again we're just going to tap that insights button, and content is the first one that will always pull up. We're just going to tap activity right in the middle there. So this is going to give us some different insights, and I want to remind you that if you ever can't remember what something is, there's usually some sort of little circle with an I in it. So you can see right here, we have 146 accounts that were reached within this date range here. And if I don't understand what that means, I can just tap on that little I next to discovery, and it pulls up the information for you right here. So just below that chart, it says reach and impressions. So you can see that the reach is the number of unique accounts that have seen any of your posts, and the impressions is the total number of times your posts have been seen altogether. So if I close that drawer there, you can see that my impressions were 519. So in this date frame, this time range here, my account was seen 519 times. However, only 146 of those were unique visitors. So that means a lot of people are checking out my profile multiple times, which there's nothing wrong with. So your reach is typically going to be a little lower than your impressions because it won't count somebody twice. Then below that, we have our interactions. So if I'm not sure what that means, I just tap that little I again, and you can see this is your profile visit. So it's the number of times your profile has been viewed during the time range listed at the top here. So you can see in the week here, we have 22 times that somebody's come and looked at our profile. And to take this a step farther, if you tap on the graphs, you'll get more specific numbers that show up. So you can see my reach was strongest on Monday and Wednesday. It was pretty low on Tuesday, but I know that nothing was posted Tuesday, so that's why that was lower. And then below, our interactions were strongest Saturday, Monday, and Wednesday. So we don't have a big variance in there. Friday's lower. So maybe to me that would signify that Friday's not a strong day to get interactions. So maybe you don't either post something that you're looking for interactions on, or you put something that you want a lot of people to see on a different day. Or you can go ahead and try to get a post going to bring those Friday numbers up and get something that's really engaging on that Friday, and that'll help level it out for you. But that's everything in the activity section here. So go ahead and tell me in the comments which part is most interesting to you. Do you want to learn about your reach, your impressions, or your interactions? Which one is most intriguing to you for your business? That's going to conclude our training for the day. So remember to join me tomorrow again at 7:30 a.m. Central Time for our next challenge, and we'll be looking at audience insights. I'll see you then.